Francesca, welcome to my channel. With May I finished my last bullet journal, so today I start with you my new one, and once done I will prepare my June monthly setup. At first I wanted to make 2 separate videos, but then I thought it was better to do a single one. For my new journal I choose again Notebook Therapy. I'm totally in love with their notebooks. I love the paper, the smaller size and the designs. I was very undecided on which cover to choose, but in the end I went for this wonderful one in linen fabric with gold constellations. It looks magical and cozy. On my first page I wanted to write a quote, and after painting with gouache I wrote these beautiful words. I love warm colors, so I used this copper one for the paint. The gouache I'm using is by Arteza. The quality is great and the price is not high, so if you want to try this medium I totally recommend this one by them. Once my cover page is ready, I move to my feature log. This layout is inspired by Svidia design. When I saw her pages, I fell in love with the Dutch door, and I absolutely wanted to create one too. After cutting the page and drawing the grid, I used some stickers to highlight the months. These stickers are from my Patreon kits of the previous months, and they are all available to download when you subscribe to my Patreon community. At this point, I wrote all the small calendars and the important dates. My calligraphy skills are terrible now. I was much better years ago, but I never practiced, so obviously I got worse. Once the header is complete, I can move to my next page. This time I didn't want to add too many pages at the beginning of my bullet journal. I realized I rarely use all the inserts I draw, so there is no point in wasting pages. Here I only draw my moon calendar, where I note the lunar phases of the following months. It's very simple and minimal. Finally, I'm ready to prepare my June setup. The collection of this month is Summer in Nature, so everything is about camping, hiking and playing music under the starry sky. The printable kit available on my Patreon page is composed of a sticker sheet for the $1 tier, a cover page for my $3 tier, and 4 other pages full of decorative and functional elements for my most popular tier, the $5 one. I love June. It's the first month of summer, which is my favorite season, and the atmosphere of freedom you can breathe is so comforting. This time I set the monthly view differently, placing the calendar in the lower right corner and leaving the first page for my overview of the month. I always like to add floral stickers that frame the calendar. I think they complete it. Above it, I kept a space for decorating. I took a piece of scrapbooking paper and I used one of the collages from my kit, along with other stickers. Usually, as you can see, I print my kits on sticky paper, and I use the silhouette portrait to cut them out. Here I must have forgotten to select the sticker with the fairy lights before proceeding with the cut, so now I'll use the scissors. For my overview page, I used the 10th sticker along with others to complete the space. And as always, I added the boxes to count my Etsy orders, my growth on Instagram and YouTube, and to note next month's important dates. I can't wait to meet 2 of my friends this month or the next one. We live in different regions and due to the current situation we couldn't travel for the last few months. Now we are planning to meet and even if there's no date yet, I can't wait. Finally, I prepared the first week of the month. For these pages I didn't plan a layout, so I'm going a bit freestyle, adding a lot of stickers and a quote. Now my new bullet journal and my monthly setup are ready. I hope you like them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and if you want, subscribe to my channel. If you like this journal kit, I also wait for you in my Patreon community, where you will find also all the old kits. Have a beautiful June and a beautiful start to the summer. See you next month. Bye!